Tails Farm. Today I'm going to show you a super easy dinner making roast seasoned chicken legs and carrots, potatoes, and onions. It's even easier if you want to use all canned goods. Just use chicken legs, canned potatoes, and canned carrots, and maybe chop up an onion and throw it in there. But because I have a bunch of produce and fresh vegetables I need to use up, that's what I'll be using instead. Same thing, you cook it the same length of time and everything else. First thing you need to do is chop up some potato. If you're using canned potatoes, you're gonna need about 4 cans of potatoes. It's sliced or the whole ones. You get less potatoes when you have the whole potatoes than you do the sliced potatoes, but 4 cans is probably good. If you're using fresh potatoes, potatoes are crazy little things, and they're all different sizes, so I can't really tell you how many potatoes to use, but I try to cover the whole bottom of my baking dish. The next thing you're going to need is a chopped up onion. And I just scatter that around on top of my potatoes. The next thing you're going to need is chopped up carrots. If you're using carrots in a can, you're probably going to need about 3 cans of carrots. I'm also going to be adding a squash because it needs to be the end's starting to get wilty and I need to use it up, so I'm just throwing it in. I'm using fresh carrots. I'm using 4 large ones and I have peeled them. I did not peel my potatoes. You can peel your potatoes if you wish. The next thing I'm going to do is I have a lot of dried parsley, so I'm just going to sprinkle some dried parsley over everything. And then I'm going to sprinkle everything with some garlic powder. Okay, next I want to lay my chicken legs on top of my vegetables. Sprinkle everything with seasoning salt, and I make my own seasoning salt, and I do have a video on that, and I will link to it. And then I just sprinkle around the vegetables with the seasoning salt. And I'm going to add about 2 cups of water. Preheat your oven to 350. If you're using canned vegetables, you can use, I find that you get about ½ cup of water per every 14 to 16 ounce can, so you could use 4 of your carrots or whatever undrained, probably give you about 2 cups. We're going to put it in the 350-degree oven for about an hour. Something my family really likes is it's an instant powdered gravy, and it's Morrison's country style peppered gravy mix. And I don't like to buy prepackaged items, but my family really loves this gravy, and it's so easy. And once in a while, this chicken leg, or sometimes I use a whole chicken instead of chicken legs. This is my go-to dinner recipe when I am tired, but I still gotta get food on the table for people. This is what I cook. It's so simple, especially like if I'm really tired, I'm just gonna pull out cans of potatoes and cans of carrots, or jars, whichever I've got. And I'm going to use that, and that is super easy because I'm just dumping that in the pan, and I'm just putting the chicken legs on top and dumping that seasoning salt on it, and then I'll rip up a cup or 2 of the gravy to put over the vegetables, and we're good to go. So we'll be back to take a look at the finished product. Okay, it's out of the oven and we are ready to eat. So this has been Angie from Canterbury Tails Farm. Thanks for joining us. Bye.